Welcome back to our channel, Wedding Bliss. Today, we are going to talk about an age-old tradition that has been passed down through generations, drinking milk on the first night of marriage. Is there any truth to this practice? Let's find out. Hello everyone, I'm your name, and in this video, we will explore the myths surrounding drinking milk on the first night of marriage. So, let's dive right in. 1. The tradition and its origins. Drinking milk on the first night of marriage is believed to be a tradition in certain cultures. It is said to symbolize purity, nourishment, and fertility. The origins of this practice can be traced back to ancient times when milk was considered a sacred and powerful substance. However, it's important to note that traditions can vary across different cultures and regions. Not all couples follow this practice, and it ultimately comes down to personal choice and beliefs. 2. The myth and its significance. The belief that drinking milk on the first night of marriage enhances the experience is purely a myth. There is no scientific evidence to support this claim. While milk does contain nutrients like calcium, protein, and vitamins, it does not have any magical properties that can specifically enhance intimacy. It's important to remember that a healthy and fulfilling intimate experience is influenced by various factors, such as emotional connection, communication, trust, and understanding between partners. 3. Focus on emotional connection. Instead of focusing on specific rituals or traditions, it is more important to prioritize the emotional connection between partners. Building a strong foundation of love, trust, and open communication can contribute to a more satisfying and intimate experience. Remember, the first night of marriage should be a special moment where you celebrate your love and embark on a journey together. It is about creating a safe and loving environment where both partners feel comfortable and respected. 4. Personal preferences and choices. Ultimately, whether you choose to drink milk on your first night or not is entirely up to you and your partner. Every couple is unique, and what matters most is doing what feels right for both of you. It's important to remember that traditions and rituals should enhance your experience and not create unnecessary pressure or expectations. Focus on creating beautiful memories and cherishing the moments shared together. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope we have debunked the myths surrounding drinking milk on the first night of marriage. Remember, what truly matters is the love, understanding, and connection you share with your partner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a lifetime of love and happiness.